established in 2006. Shandong Chenghui Electricity Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise focusing on water, electricity, and heat meter. It's a company of Meidegroup. It's a world-leading manufacturer of fluid delivery products and solution experts. At present, the method of meter reading includes manual meter reading, wired meter reading, short-range wireless meter reading, and manual meter reading. These all three methods complicated in installation, high in cost, difficult in maintenance, time-consuming and laborious, high error rates, and other disadvantages. The IoT water meter is created to solve these problems, which use a variety of mobile platforms, anytime and anywhere, can be remote meter reading. With the development of the global strategy smart city, the IoT water meter is a product of the big data era of the Internet of Things. It is a trend of times. The IoT water meter is integrated with flow transmission, data collection and calculation, storage, and remote control. It is a flow measurement device that uses the Internet of Things to upload the data to the cloud server. The IoT water meter system composed of IoT water meter, cloud server, monitoring center. The monitoring center can be divided into in-network, out-network, and mobile monitoring center. The IoT water meter can calculate the flow, upload the flow data, receive and execute instructions issued by the cloud server. The cloud server has the functions of data storage, sharing and issuing instructions. The monitoring center gets traffic data from the cloud server and push the message related to the cloud server. This is an wireless remote water meter. The specification is 15 to 25. The medium is cold water. The temperature is 0.1 Celsius degree to 30 Celsius degree. The pressure is 1 megapascal. The working voltage is 3.6 volts. The protection level is IP68. The electromagnetic environment level is E. The installation level is B. By IoT water meter, NB network, server software, client software, composed of a common use system. NB Internet of Things wireless remote water meter positioned on a high-end water meter market to create a high-end brand to solve the problems of data collection water companies.
With the development of the prefabricated and the disappearance demographic dividends, Meidegroup, as an expert in the field of the fluid transportation in the world, has too committed to the research and development of quick installations technology. In order to make the quick installations series of products benefit the users as soon as possible, in the February 2021, Meidegroup and Meidegroup jointly invested in the establishment Meidegroup Pipe Industrial Company Limited, had mainly producing the stainless steel single price product, carbon steel single price product, and carbon steel grip rim press product, 3 series of quick loading products widely used in gas, fire protection, water supply and drainage, HVAC, and other fields. Next, I will introduce stainless steel single press product to you. About the press connection technology, originated in Germany with a history of more than 70 years. About the anti-pulling principle, in free state, the anti-pulling pressure is 6 to 18 MPa. About the anti-rotation principle, DN15 to DN50 is a high signal after pressing. DN60 to DN100 is eccentric ellipse and not be rooted. About the anti-corrosion principle, for hydrogen solution improve the surface corrosion resistance. About the sealing principle, R-mouth contraction, rubber ring compresses 25%. Forming a high pressure zone. About the rubber ring protection, R-mouth contraction, to avoid air oxidation, and the applicable diameter is DN15 to DN100. Next, about the key process, guaranteed has strict raw materials control. To be platter belt will undergo annealing, pickling, and other treatment, and their corrosion resistance, heat resistance, mechanical performance are good. The quality is guaranteed, and have advanced welding pipe process using Lincoln plasma wide machine imported from the US, can ensure the quality of the pipe. About the laser cutting size is precision and guaranteed to the subsequent product molding size. About the automatic molding, effectively guarantees the production quality of products. And about the automatic welding, the product process quality is controlled. The production consistency is good. About Maller furnace pure hydrogen solid solution, the Maller solid solution furnace imported from Germany. It can make the surface anti-corrosion layer more dense and improve anti-corrosion performance. About the pickling preservation, by pickling from a dense oxide layer on the inner and outer walls of the pipe with higher corrosion resistance. Adopt forging technology to eliminate product defects with bright and beautiful surface. Next, about the main application fields, stainless steel single-press products are mainly used in pump room, secondary supply water, high-quality drinking water, direct drinking water, medicine, food, and other industrial low-pressure fluid delivery and seawater corrosion environment, low-pressure fluid delivery system. Since 2017, the Ministry of Housing and Urban-Rural Development has proposed in national standards such as the Green Building Evolution Standards, Direct Drinking Water System, Direct Supply of Domestic Hot Water Pipes. Fittings should be stainless steel pipes, copper pipes, and other metal pipes to ensure water quality. The stainless steel pipe, a single-press product, produced by Meidegroup Pipe Industrial Company Limited, have passed DVGW-DA certification, and with its high-quality product quality, convenient installation, safe product performance, has won more and more customers' recognition.
Carbon steel inside and outside coated pipeline products. Light and easy to installation, beautiful corrosion resistance, maintenance free, UV resistant. Reduce carbon emission by 310 tons per 100 tons of pipe. Green environmental protection, fast installation. Is widely used in the fields of fire protection and gas. It is very simple to install, according to the steel tube insertion length, and then use a marker pen to mark on the pipe. Make sure to insert at the marked position when connecting. Use the appropriate pressing tool to compressing. Align the ring-form concave of pressing jaw with the rim on press fitting, in groove of which a rubber ring is mounted, and compress it by pressing tools. And make sure pipes are vertical. Press the switch and compress, losing the clamp after completing a cycle automatically. Make sure the clamping is in place and remove the protective film. The single pressure method replaces the traditional threaded connection. Press in one place only needs 7 seconds. Installation efficiency increased by more than 3 times. New carbon steel coated pipe further promote building energy conservation and emission reduction, comprehensively improve the level of pipeline appearance, and greatly reduce labor costs. Mac brand carbon steel press series products are the first and only one manufacturers in China has passed UL/FM certifications. Mac brand is your first option when you require the press fittings.
Hello everyone, this is Eric from Meidegroup. Today I will give you a brief introduction about our carbon steel press fittings. With the development of society, people's requirement for healthy and environmental protection is getting higher and higher, so which promoted the healthy materials like carbon steel and stainless steel. At the same time, people's requirements of the construction efficiency are constantly increasing, while the requirements for the installers are constantly decreasing. And that's why press fittings are invented. Unlike threaded fittings and grooved fittings, press fittings are usually used in the 1/2 to 4 inches piping systems and have many advantages. Our brand, Mac Press, is made from carbon steel and can be used in multiple areas in many working conditions. Mag Press is a carbon steel pipe clamping system with sizes ranging from half to 4 inches. It is used with steel pipes complying with ASTM 53, 106, 135, and 795 standards. And the Mag Press is coated with the electrical galvanized nickel alloy, which has very good corrosion resistance. It is also internally equipped with stainless steel gear ring, which has a high hardness, good toughness, and strong bearing capacity. The stainless steel gear is also rubber coated. The rubber can effectively protect the parts where the coating is damaged after the fittings cuts into the pipes. The intelligent leak-proof cards technology of Mag Press can show the parts that are not clamped during lower pressure test. And the two ends of Mag Press are pasted with leak-proof cards of different colors. Yellow represents HNBR rubber ring and green represents EPDM rubber ring. The installation of Mag Press does not require gas-shielded welding, braiding, and threading, so there is no fire hazard at all, and it doesn't require a fireworks certificate, so it would be very easy and convenient for the installers. And the installation can be easily and quickly completed with just the electric clamping tool. It is very easy and convenient for installers, contractors, or distributors to know the product's configurations by the very unique color recognition system. And you can just remove the stickers after installation to show later installers or inspectors which part is finished, which part is not. And the stickers are very specially designed for the installers. Even during installation, you can remove it with gloves. To meet different requirements, Mag Press has different configurations, and by them, Mag Press can be applied into different working conditions and areas, such as in fire protection system used in hospitals, schools, apartments, hotels, and transportation centers. And to meet different standards, Mag Press has acquired different certificates such as UL, FM, CRN, NSF, etc. If you want to learn more about our products, just contact us.
Hello everybody, welcome to our live show. This is John, this is my colleague Brant.
Hello everyone, this is Brant. Hello John.
Hi Brant.
Thank you for everyone coming to our live show today.
Yes.
And also very excited to be here.
Yeah, very exciting.
Yes.
And it's also my pleasure to work with you, Brant.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's start the introduction.
Okay, cool.
So
what's the main topic for today?
Well, let me announce it. The topic is about our metal flexible hoses, and there are 5 parts.
Yeah.
The first part, we will go through the basic introduction for our branch company.
Yeah.
And the second part, we will focus on the products, and we will share more information about our flexible hoses and anti-vibration hoses.
So this part we will show you more information of our products.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm right.
Yeah. And for the third part, it's about the typical projects.
Okay.
And mainly for the application.
Okay.
And for the fourth part, we will share a video for our workshop.
Yeah.
And that will be very exciting moment.
Yeah, this part will be very exciting because you can see our whole workshop.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. And all the viewers can pay attention to this part.
Yes, and also good opportunity for our customer to know our hose company and also our products. By it, we also have a lucky draw time. This part will be very exciting.
Very exciting, yes.
Yes, yes. So, and also our other questions will come from the content.
Mm-hmm,
so
yes.
very important thing is don't leave away.
Yes, don't leave away.
Yes,
and
don't leave away,
pay attention and pay attention.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes. Okay, for the first part, it's about the company profile. Brant, can you introduce this part?
Okay, of course. Mentioning Meidegroup, all the people will first think about make multiple fittings, grooved fittings, because these two lines already have a long history, you know.
Yes.
And also lived in the market for several decades. So in order to support the full product range and one-stop service to customer, Meidegroup and Aiwas put heads together and create a new joint venture.
Yes.
Established in 2019.
2019.
And, 2019. Yes. And also named the company was Aiwas Metal Company. Yes. And also controlling by Meidegroup.
Yes. And thanks for your introduction, Brant.
Yes.
And we have learned more about the branch company. I mean, the flexible hoses branch company. And there are many other advantages of this company.
Yeah.
Yes, and let me introduce, in addition to achieve the complementary advantages and win-win cooperation,
Okay.
Jinan Meide and the joint venture partner work together to develop and produce the high level and better design product.
Wow.
Yes, with the great help of Meide platform, our products has been introduced to the global fluid users. At present, the flexible hoses has been sold to more than 30 different countries and regions.
Wow, this is many customers.
Yes, many
right.
customers. Different customers from different countries.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly, yes.
And by the end of 2021, Aiwas will realize annual output value for more than 3 million RMB.
Wow, this is a big value, yeah.
Big value, really,
Yeah,
really
very
big
exciting.
value. Yes.
Okay, the following part I will introduce you our current product range. Now we have fire flexible hose, anti-vibration hose, gas hose, and another metal is hoses, yes.
Yes, many different kinds of flexible hoses and for different customers.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So it's different products support different applications.
Yes, and also this is our service for customers.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so
for this page, I have one question, Joy.
yeah, please.
So please tell us what's the fire flexible hose?
It's my pleasure to introduce what the fire flexible hoses is.
Yes.
As its name implies, it is used in the fire protection system.
Okay.
Yes, and maybe it's unfamiliar to some customers. It's a new kind of installation method, and it connects the sprinkler head to the sprinkler system, and it replaces the traditional hard pipe and consists of stainless steel hoses and mounting bracket.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's really, really beautiful products.
Yeah, I got it. What's the flexible hose? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And so there is a video we can show how to install the flexible hoses.
Yeah, this video were very interesting.
Very interesting, yes.
Show all the customers is the flexible hose how to install.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, program director, please switch to the video.
Please switch to the video.
开始哈。Welcome back, everybody.
Back. Yeah.
Yes, and let's continue the introduction.
Okay.
So for the next, Brant,
Yeah.
could you introduce how is the fire hoses used?
Okay, of course. These two pictures are actually pictures from practical applications. You can see the inlet connect main pipe and the outlet connect sprinkler ahead. So this is a new solutions for sprinkler system.
Okay, wait a minute, Brant.
Okay.
I just have a question.
Okay.
So what's the advantages if compared with a traditional connection pipe.
Okay, good question. Please turn to next page. I will introduce that.
Okay.
Okay, first advantage, improve the installation speed.
Yes.
For example, one host connection takes about 10 minutes. So one person can make 48 pieces per day.
Yes.
But you look at the hot pipe connections, there takes about 25 minutes and only 20 pieces installed one day.
Yes.
If by average, which means only 6 pieces for each person. So you can see it's different. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very big difference.
Yes.
Big
yes.
difference.
And also it's increased 8 times for the speed. Okay. And for the second advantage is easy to operation, which means you can just give the people simple training. After that, they can do that properly. Not like the hot pipe. You know, hot pipe. The hot pipe, not like hot pipe, requires higher professional level.
High professional. Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
You're right about this.
Yeah, the last advantage is easy to bending.
Easy to bending?
Yeah, you can see, very easy.
Looks like very easy to bend.
Yes, which means you can avoid any obstacles on the line, you know, on seating.
Yes.
And also instantly to respond to emergency on site.
Yes.
You can try.
Yeah, I really want to try this. I really want to try this. And let me try. You're right. You're right.
Very soft. I'm right.
It's very easy to bend.
Yeah,
and
correct. Yes.
Very soft. Very soft.
Yes.
It's really nice. Nice product. Okay. Thanks, Brant. You have introduced many advantages about our flexible hoses.
Yeah.
And I will introduce more about advantages. Like the sprinkler head, if connected by the flexible hoses, it can be adjusted after installation.
Okay, please turn to next page.
Okay, I will show in next page. You will get this information.
Yeah.
And also, the same time, the sprinkler head, the seating, and other jobs can be done at the same time.
Wow.
So the flexible hoses connection can greatly improve the installation speed and shorten the construction site by more than 40%.
40%.
40%. 60%. Sorry, I made a mistake. 60%.
60%. Really, it's big difference.
Big difference. Yes, 60%. And especially, we all know there is a pandemic situation.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really badly to all the customers.
Yes. Really.
So all the construction site workers are seriously insufficient. So our flexible hoses connection can speed up the installation speed and shorten the construction, or about can cut down a lot of cost.
Okay. For this point, I have one question, John.
Yes.
As you mentioned, it will cut down a lot of cost. Do you have the percentage or value can show us? What's the how big percentage or how big value?
I do have data to show you. And according to the data we have, the flexible hoses connection can save more than 40% cost.
Wow, this is really amazing.
Amazing and about money.
Yes.
Yeah, all the customers care about the money.
Yes,
you know.
all the customers are concerned about the cost.
Yeah, so this is very important to everyone.
Yes, correct.
Yes, and so we have introduced many advantages of our flexible hoses. And for the next, Brant, can you continue the introduction?
Okay, for this page, we will from the safety perspective side to show you advantage. You know, for fire hose, there only have 2 leakage points. One inlet and one outlet leakage point, you know.
So,
what's your question?
Yeah, my question is that for the flexible hoses connection, there is just 2.
2, yeah.
So how about the hot pipe connection?
Okay, follow me. For the hot pipe, there have 6 leakage points because they use the many, the multiple fittings to connect each part. So which means one thread have one more risk.
Yes.
Do you understand me? Yeah.
I can understand that.
So you can see obviously it's different.
Yeah, we can see the difference if compared these 2 pictures. and 2 leakage point,
Yeah.
and this 6 leakage point. That's really big different.
Yeah, correct. Yes, yes.
And for the next, I just have a question.
Okay.
Brant, have you ever been in a construction site?
No, never. What about you, John?
I do have the experience.
Okay.
It's about traditional construction site.
Okay.
And I took some photos from there, and I want to show you here.
Okay, cool.
Okay, this is the picture, you can say.
Yeah.
And so, tell me, what's your feeling about this picture?
Wow, it looks really terrible. You see, it's many shorter pipes cut it, and also painted bucket is outside. Look, it's very dangerous, you know.
Yeah, very dangerous.
Yeah.
You mentioned the point, dangerous.
Yes.
Dangerous. And we all know that the traditional construction will use the electronic tools. And the electronic tools will maybe brings the potential safety problems. And it will not occur if connected by the flexible hoses. This is a big difference. And also, I will show you another photo.
Okay.
If connected by the flexible hoses.
Okay.
Yes, that one. Yeah, there.
Wow, obviously different.
Yeah, if compared with this traditional construction site,
Yes.
that will be very different.
Yeah, this side very
Clean.
This side very messy. Yeah.
Messy and
Yeah,
dirty.
messy, yeah.
Messy and dirty.
Yes.
So,
correct.
if connected by the flexible hoses, just one box into the construction site.
Yes.
And the box will include the flexible hoses body, brackets, and other parts. And open the box with a wrench will solve all the problems. And
Exactly, yeah.
And the flexible hoses connection will keep the construction site clean and orderly.
Yes.
Yes, this is the advantages for our flexible hoses. And so, for the...
Okay, thank you for all the customers to pay attention to our live show.
Yes.
So next part, I will invite my colleague Eva to introduce more product information. Welcome
Yes.
to Eva.
Welcome, Eva.
Welcome.
Hello, Eva.
Hello, this is Eva. Thanks for the introduction of my college, Jan and Bram. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, it's your time.
Yes, it's your time, Eva.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for all the information about my college. Let's talk about. Now, let me show you other serious information of our very flexible hoses. And just as you said, the flexible hoses compared with traditional connection method is very obvious. Although the cost of the very flexible hoses is a bit higher than the traditional hard pipe tubes, but the cost of the connection and other security risks are discrete. Okay, you can see the picture, and now you can see this picture has different series of house series. And after the advantages, let me show you the different series of fair flexible hoses. In this picture, you can see two different kinds, the FU series and FB series. And there are now two different fair flexible hoses in brand mic of this company, and braided one and unbraided. Okay, first let me show you the first one, FU series, the unbraided one. You can see in this picture, this is unbraided fire hoses. Which one is without the stainless steel braiding, and the corrugated with this point is a little higher, and it can understand the pressure more than 200 psi without the protection of the braiding. And now we can see the table, and they have different size and length, and the size of inside is about 1 inch. This one has NPT and BSPT. And also, This one has the size of the outlet of the unbraided one is this. And this one also is NPT and then the BSPT. And about the length of this one, we can explain in the next page. Okay, we can look the second one. This one is technical parameters. And the maximum working temperature of this one is about 160 degrees to 225 degrees. About his working pressure, we just talking about it, and it can understand the pressure more than 200 psi without the protection of the brain. And you can see in the 1.5 MPa situation. And about the mini bending radius, it can reach 100 millimeters per 3.9 inch. And the factory key of sprinkler can about this. Okay, next we will talk about the length of the products. And you can see this one with totally five different lengths: 28, 40, 48, 60, and 72. And we can have a little sample about this. Now, this one have also obtained the certificates of UL and CUL. And in this table, just as the 48 lengths has overlet size about these two kind. Yes. And his max bending times is reached 3 times. And his UL text is different. Yes. Yes, you can see in the table. Okay, now its cost is how it has high cost effective, and there is no braiding protection, but the cost is very lower. Okay, now we just talk about the first one. We continue to talk about the second one. Are you ready? Okay, just you know, it's a braided, very flexible. And you can see in the picture, this one with a couple of layer of braiding. And this one is with stainless steel braiding. And the corrugated pipe of this product is protected by a layer of this. And so the inner of the product is a little soft. The soft means that it is easy for workers to install. Okay, also we can look at the size length. About the size of inlet, it's 1 inch, and NPT and BSPT. About the size of outlet, it has these materials. It has NPT and BSPT. Also, it has totally 5 lengths different. We will explain detailment at the second. And its technical parameters. About its max work temperature is about 107 degrees to 255 degrees. About his worker pressure is same as the unbraided one. And also I want to recommend the one. And this product is supposed to pass the pressure of bending about 50,000 times. Okay, let's continue. And the mini bending radius of this product, if FM certificate is 250 millimeters per 9.8 inch, and in UL certificates it's 100 millimeters per 3.9 inch. And the factory key of sprinkler is like this. And you can see or consult some information for my sellers. Just one note very important. And the certificates of this one is UL and FM. The certificate of this one is UL and FM. Do you remember it? Okay, let's continue. About this one, he has 5 different lengths. You can see is 28, 40, 49, 60, and 72. And in this, the outline size about, we just have an example such as the 60, which shows 60. And about this, the outside of this have different 2 kinds. And it has the max bending time each 3 times. And the EQL of 33.7 millimeters per inch. And SCH 40 pipes is these 2. And in the FM test, it can have maximum 3 bending times. And also the parameter is this. Okay, we will, after me have showed all the information of our 2 different kinds of very flexible horses, we continue to sell our different joint parts of our products. Okay, in this picture you can see we have different kinds of joint parts in this. And now there are normally 4 typical types of this one. And you can see this length is 140 millimeters, 110 millimeters, 184 millimeters, 330 millimeters, 85 millimeters, and 115 millimeters. Yeah, there are so much. And some people will ask me when to use them and how to use them. Okay, let me tell you. If the space is very narrow, you need to install the products. And the long abode is secret chosen to be for the sprinkler head connection to avoid obstacles. Yeah, do you understand it? Okay, let's continue. We just talk about our star products. Okay, let's show me our new products. And its name is anti-vibration. Some people will ask me, what is vibration? Okay, let me watch the picture. And the vibration, anti-vibration is composed of 5 different parts. The first one is copper or stainless steel welding end. It's in this part. And the second is stainless steel connection ring. And the third one is stainless steel hose SI is this part. And also is the stainless steel braiding. And the last one is stainless steel extending ring. Also 5 parts. And now it's widely used in the domestic market. But I also think it will have a good widespread and overseas market. And now this is designed for good performance through absorb vibration and related damage to occur noises of the applications. Sometimes vibration in the company can cause a lot of problems. We can see this. And the vibration in the chemical systems sometimes can cause a lot of serious problems for the user. And it can also cause a lot of material fatigue and some problems, and is very difficult for the user. And now, these products anti-vibration come back, emerge in response to the proper time and condition. And now it's widely used in different fields, such as air filtration system, air conditioning system, and engineers, compressors, and other fields. Okay, I just talked about our different products, very flexible horses, our joint part, and our new anti-vibration horses. Now we are talking about our one important service. It's OEM OEM service. And this service can be used in different fields. Just you see, we can use this in gas, sanitary, high-speed train, auto, steamship, and steam boiler, and petrochemical. This is not limited just like this, and also other fields. And also this can be used in some different sites, such as school, hospital, and hotels. Now, I have two different typical projects to introduce. The first one is Hilton Hotel. And do you know where is the Hilton Hotel? If you visit China, and you may know this hotel, it's a 5-star hotel. And in this construction, it's a big problem of this product is the limited installer space. If workers choose the traditional hard pipe, it's not easy to install the products, but they choose our new products, so they can easily solve this problem. And the first one is okay. I'll show you the next one. This is New Oriental International School. And the school needs to be used within 3 months. But if they choose traditional pipes, it's very difficult to install. And 2 or 3 people just can install 18 tubes per day. And the average of our products, if they choose the new products, and the average workers can install 16 tubes per day. Yeah, the time is very short, and the product is completed as usual. Okay, I introduced all information I want to say. Now let our colleague continue to their introductions. Okay.
Thank you, my colleagues. Hi, my friends. I'm Morris. I'm in the
really amazing.
We know a lot of our products now.
Yes.
I'm right.
And Brant,
Yes?
I have a question. Do you want to say our production workshop?
Sure. I think it's many friends and also have the same questions, you know. And to know the flexible hose, how to produce, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have a video from Wallace, and he will show more information about our production workshop.
Yes, yes.
So program director, please switch to the video. Wallace,
Please switch to the
please.
video.
colleagues. Hi, my friends. I'm Morris. I'm in the warehouse of our factory. I'm going to introduce to you the whole process of how flexible hoses are made. For flexible hoses, the main materials are stainless steel belts and wires. We're going to do 100% inspection before stocking them. We're going to inspect the thickness, weight, and content of nickel of these stainless steel belts. So we're going to go to our workshop. You can see our workshop is clean and tidy. We have 3 parts. This is the hose making line. That is the assembly line. We have another part far away for packaging line. We have 3 machines for hose making. All these machines are imported from Europe, which might be the most advanced equipment in China. Hose making includes 4 steps: welding, pulling, foaming, and washing. So let's get started from welding. This is the first step, welding. After this step, this belt, stainless steel belt, is made to the hoses. We adopt the most advanced micro-beam plasma welding machine from Germany. This machine ensures the beautiful and firm sheen. Okay, next step is pulling. You can see the clamps of the tractor is round, just to ensure we cause no damage during this process to the roundness of the hoses. Okay, we're gonna. This part is the most important part of hose making, forming. You can see the corrugation is not made during one time. It's made by 4 steps. After each step, the corrugation gets more and more dense, which is really important because only this way can make the hoses flexible. The last step of hose making is washing. We wash the flexible hoses with high pressure water, and the temperature may reach more than 80 degrees. Okay, after the hose making, we have a quality control point. We're gonna test every inch of the flexible hoses. Let's ask my colleagues, how do we test the flexible hoses? 师傅，我们是怎么检测这个细胞软管的？
我们是用0.高8兆瓦气压保压5分钟测试。
Okay. Okay, we're gonna test these flexible hoses with 0.8 megapascal pressure for 5 minutes. After this quality control point, for unbreeding hoses, we're gonna have the hoses cut and assembled. But for breeding hoses, we need to make the mesh first. So I'm gonna show you our mesh machine. This is our mesh machine. This machine is also imported from Europe. It can assure the uniform of the neat mesh in high tensile strength. This is how it works. Okay, we're gonna go into our assembly line. It has 4 steps during the assembly line. The first step is cut. We adopt automatic cutting machine. This machine can assure we cut the hoses uniform and have very flat cutting end. And next step, we need to cover the hoses with the mesh. Okay. After we cover this, we need to connect them together. Connect the mesh with the hoses. We use this machine to connect them together. It is applicable to a wide range of sizes. We just need to change the clamps. After they're connected, we need to deburr. After deburring, you can say this end is quite flat. Okay. Another important step of assembly is welding. We adopt a very advanced machine of welding. You can see the difference between our products and the others' products. From this point, from the welding machine, you can see the difference is quite obvious. So let me ask our colleagues, What's the difference between this product and this product? 师傅，这两个焊接的地方有什么不同啊？
我们采用的是那个 T2G 全自动焊接技术。对比其他厂家，他们用的是那种铅焊技术。我们使用的是，我们不需要任何的焊剂。所以这个焊缝非常的干净平整。没有气孔。那个焊接处熔深度非常的均匀。可承受更高的温度。质量可靠性更强一些。
是。So this tech is quite different. This one is welded by lead welding, but our products are welded with TIG welding. You can see the difference obvious. So we have another quality control point during our assembly line. We have a tightness test. We test the leakage with the helium detector. If the flexible hoses leaks, this machine will give us an alarm. Okay, we're gonna go to the packaging line. After all these was made, we're gonna have the final quality control point. Our colleagues need to inspect the length of the flexible hose and the appearance of the flexible hose to make sure every product from our factory doesn't have the leakage problem. This product is used in the mechanical equipment. Also, we have assembly lines, packaging lines over there. We have a very advanced laser marking machine. We're not going there, but I'm gonna show you how they make our products beautiful. You can see these numbers are marked by the laser marking machine. Very beautiful. And this one, the direction of the flow. Okay, that is the whole process of the production. Welcome to our factory in the future. Okay, I'm gonna give the time to my colleagues in the R&D center.
Okay, and so now we hope the two customers to contact with us as soon as possible to get the prize.
Yes.
And so for now, this is our live show.
Yes, this is all for today. So, and also thank you for all the customers joined with us. Please continue paying attention to our family.
Yes, and see you next time.
See you
Bye.
next time. Bye.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Meidegroup Live Studio.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now it is 3:20 p.m. Beijing time. I have noticed some friends have joined us. Thank you for your attention and patience.
Yes, if you are watching, please subscribe our channel on Meidegroup on your Facebook and YouTube. Before broadcasting, if you have any question, please leave your message, and my colleague behind this stage will answer your questions. So before the broadcast, so let's do some introduction. Yes.
Yes. Sure. Many customers we have never met before.
Yes.
Well, my name is Cassie, working in Europe division.
Yes, I'm Derek, and also from the same team with Cassie. And let me introduce the main contents today. So let's look at the screen. So first, we will have a brief introduction about our capacity, and then we will give you a brief introduction about our customers, our projects, and then we will focus on the production process. And then you will know some of our product advantages. So after that, we will also introduce some other malleable RF products.
After introduce, there is lucky draw time. We prepared so many coupons and surprise. If you couldn't win the prizes last time, now today come on us. So Derek, can we join them?
Well, of course not. We are the host, and please know who we are.
All right, that's okay. We will say it, and please pay attention our channel.
Okay.
Malleable RF fittings is our start product. How about our products in capacity, Derek?
Well, first, let me show you some figures about us. You see, the first one is our the 6T. So you know we have started our business since 1961, and we were called Pinyin Hardware. So now we have over 60 years of experience, and now we also have over 10,000 employees, and with a production floor area of 2.3 million square meters. So now we have totally 60 factories. So based on that, we can make 3 million pieces per day. So if we connect them together, do you know how long it will be?
Have no idea.
Well, it's about, it can go around the equator for 20 times.
It's unbelievable. Can't imagine what it looks like.
Okay, so let's look at the screen.
It is a distance from Earth to Moon.
Yes, you're very smart. So our next target may be Mars. So I think we also hope our customers can become Elon Musk in the future, likely in Tesla. And also, it must be an amazing trip.
So where did our fittings go, Derek? Do you know?
Well, actually, we have many customers all over the world. You see, there are so many little stars on the map, and so our products have been well distributed in more than 130 countries and regions. So our map brand is also registered in 102 countries.
That means we have 113 countries friends.
Yes.
We can visit them now and then and enjoy food with them.
Yes, of course. And Cassie, do you know there are about 196 countries in the world. So we still have a lot of work to do.
It's so task work. So how about our customers?
Well, most of our customers are on the leading position on their market. And also some of our customers are world top 500 companies, and some are very big EPC companies.
Wow, it's so cool. So our customers distribute our fittings around the world. So do you know where product will go?
Well, here is some typical projects that used our products. For example, the first one, the New York, in New York, the New World Trade Center, and the second, the tallest building in Dubai, the Khalifa Tower, and then the tallest building in China, the Shanghai Tower. So this is now a few examples. And Cassie, I have a wish, maybe someday I can visit these places and see our fittings here by myself.
Yes, so do I. There is so many famous buildings using our fittings. Actually, 15% and the light marks and the construction.
Yes, that's quite an achievement.
And
Cassie, do you want to ask me another question? Because it feels like I'm doing an exam.
When the partner can Derek take it easy.
Okay, fine.
So why do they choose us?
Well, there must be some reason. For example, we have the larger production capacity, we have the better after-sales service, and we also have the better delivery. And I think most important is the quality. We can assure that we can provide the most qualified product.
Yes, qualified products surprise you some days in the future, but unqualified let you down from time to time.
Yes, and so our customers pay more attention on our quality. So for the next part, let's focus on our production of fitting and our production process.
Sounds great.
Yes. So I have a question, Cassie. Do you know how many steps do we have to produce one fitting?
Yes, our products distribute into casting and processing. And for casting, there are 4 steps: and melting, molding, pouring, and heat treatment. For processing, there are surface treatment and thread processing.
Yes, I know that. But what is each step do we do, and what's our advantage? Because just by seeing this, I just can't understand.
Good question. We will show each steps on the screen.
Okay.
Here we go.
Manual iron pipe fittings of Meidegroup production process. 1. Smelting. High quality material is the guarantee of product quality. Meidegroup is the only Class A enterprise in the foundry industry with advanced equipment and low energy consumption in smelting process. Meidegroup adopts the most advanced water-cooled longevous cupola with external hot glass air, which can maintain a high temperature of melted iron, stable composition, and pure molten iron. In addition, Meidegroup adopts a real-time online monitoring systems to monitor the consumption and temperature of melted iron.
This is the first step. As the video showed, we used some equipment.
Yes, we use the electric furnace and water-cooled cupola.
Wait a minute. Why we use the electric furnace?
Well, first, we use the electrical furnace so that we can control and monitor the chemical composition and temperature so that we can assure the mechanical composition. And then I heard that some other factories, they do not do any test. They just control the composition and temperature by experience. Yes, and also I think it's environmental because, you know, in China now our government is paying more and more attention on the environment. And in last few years, we have been issuing more restrictions on the foundry and industry, especially in winter. And now the winter is also coming, so I think more policies will be on the way.
Yes, I heard some factories shut down sometimes in these years.
Yes, you are right. And also the third point, the electrical furnace can keep the material much more stable with low sulfur and no slag blowhole, so that we can avoid more defective fittings.
That sounds great. So how about the next step?
Well, for next step is the molding. Actually, we do the molding and melting at the same time. So, Cassie, do you know what is the special point of this step?
I'm not sure. Do we have other equipment?
Yes, of course. So let's look at the video.
2. Melding. Meidegroup brings Indisa automatic melding line from Denmark, which can guarantee the scent uniform and high hardness. High precision of equipment and molds can ensure the consistency of casting dimensions with no mismatch. Therefore, the casting is in smooth finish and nice shape appearance.
Brilliant. I also saw another equipment.
Yes.
So Derek, what is the DISA?
So you know, if we want to make a fitting, we need to get the mold to assure the size precision of the fitting. So DISA is for now the most advanced and the fastest molding facility in this industry.
How about its efficiency?
Well, it can make, like they said, 450 boxes per hour, and that's equals to 8 hours work by 3 people.
Wow, it's amazing.
Yes. Also, do you know how many DISA lines do we have, Cassie?
I guess 4 lines.
No, we now have 6 lines. 6. So please remember it.
I think it is the reason why we produce goods quickly.
Yes.
But as I know, manufacturers also use the melting molding.
You mean the manual molding?
Yes.
Yes. But the result is that it's much too unstable, not stable for the quality. So the next step.
How about the next step?
Yes, the next step is we pour the iron liquid into the mold. It's called pouring. So let's watch the video.
3. Pouring. Meidegroup introduced the most advanced automatic pouring machine, INDA, whose bottom gathering system helps to remove the spume. Real-time online monitoring of casting temperature and automatic whole casting process ensure high performance and high stability of product quality. 4.
Looks interesting. I also saw this equipment also is automatic.
Yes, we use the automatic pouring machine so that we can monitor the temperature for 24 hours a day. In that case, we can assure our chemical composition. And I think you may pay attention on this part. Actually, the liquid goes into the cold box from the bottom of the ladle. So the liquid will be much more pure because you see there must be some scum. They will float on the surface in the ladle, so it will not get into the mold.
That is a good measure.
Yes. And now our casting is over.
No, Derek, you missed the important steps. And this steps is the most cost time.
You mean the time cost? Yes.
So watch the videos, you can understand it.
Annealing. Annealing used the most advanced gas continuous tunnel kiln in China. The temperature in the furnace is automatically controlled. The annealing time can reach more than 33 hours to ensure the quality of annealing, and the product elongation can reach more than 10%.
Well, in this video, I noticed that there are 4 stages to the whole process. And also, the total time for this process is about 33 hours. So why is it so complicated and the time cost?
It makes them not so hard. We call it equipment, and with the elongation, the fittings will prove so much.
Yes, and so even after we do this part, so how can we guarantee that our products are qualified?
Yes. The next steps is
microstructure, you mean?
yes.
So we also do the inspection. So let's watch a video.
Yes.
5. Metalographic structure. It accords with KTH 350 to 10. Graphite from grade 1 to 2. Graphite distribution grade 1 to 2. The grade of graphite number 1 to 2. Content of ferritic greater than or equal to 90%. Pearlite less than or equal to 10%. The process level of Meidegroup is far beyond than standard to guarantee the mechanical properties. 6. Tensile testing. The minimum of tensile strength greater or equal to 350 Newton per square millimeters. The minimum elongation less than or equal to 10%. High-strength products reduce the risk of cracking and the mechanical properties become better ensured.
So, as I see, the ferrite will make the fitting much more harder, and also the pearlite will make it more flexible. So I think these two materials should be very careful. And then, so our rough casting is ready now, right?
Right. Yes.
So the next step is surface treatment. Yes. So let's watch a video.
7. Galvanization. Meidegroup uses automatic shoot blasting line before galvanization process. For galvanization process, we use automatic acid pickling line, automatic temperature control system, and automatic zinc plating production line. The standard detection method and frequency ensure the uniform of zinc thickness, and the average zinc thickness is higher than the industry standard. Good adhesion of zinc liquid, good collision resistance, strong corrosion resistance, longer lasting, and no color fading. Meidegroup can provide multi-surface products such as black, electroplating, hot-dip galvanizing, internal plastic coating, hot-dip galvanizing plus electroplating. 8.
So you can see that we can have many options for the surface treatment. We have the black, the hot dip galvanizing, and electro galvanizing.
But I think the galvanizing have some requirements.
Yes, we can also do the thickness test so that we can assure that our fittings can meet the minimum thickness standard of 79 micrometer.
But I think all customers afraid it is fall off in the future.
Yes, but you don't have to worry about it because we also do the adhesion test.
That sounds great.
Yes. So is our process over? We also need to make our fitting have the function to connect to the tube, right?
Yes, it is called thread processing. Let's the video.
Threading. Meidegroup uses advanced automatic fitting tacking machine for threading process. We can supply different thread options like ASTM A197, ASTM A47, BSEN 1562, and strictly control the arrow within one buckle. National standards stipulate axis angle need to be controlled within 30, but we control it within 17, which can better solve the inclined heights problem after installation. The thread angle is 55 degrees. Accord with BSEN 10242 or 60 degrees. Accord with ASME 1.20.1. Thread taper ratios is 1:16. High precision of thread control can ensure thread seal. 9.
For thread thread processing. We also use much equipment such as automatic feeding typing machine and CNC automatic process machine.
Yes. So our product is ready, so we will do the 100% air pressure leakage test before packing.
Yes. After that,
so let's watch the video first.
Okay.
Liquid testing and anti-rusting. The finished products are checked by air pressure test. The air pressure is about 0.5 megapascal. In this way, the products are 100% qualified, and the anti-rust oil without aromatic hydrocarbon is adopted to meet the quality and environmental production requirements. 10. Automatic packing.
This is our automatic package.
The automatic packing line, which can guarantee the accurate packaging quantities and the consistent appearance. The whole production process of MAC brand malleable iron pipe fitting has 36 quality control nodes. The manufacturing process of the products is reliable and meticulous, and each product is 100% qualified for delivery. The products are well distributed in more than 170 countries and regions. As a result, Meidegroup can become the leader of malleable iron fitting industry gradually.
Yes, I'm quite great. Yes.
Yes. Our fittings distribute more than 113 countries. So there is some reasons.
Yes, of course. So next part we will talk about our advantages. So for next part, let's start.
Okay. Now let's summarize the surprise point of our fittings.
Okay. For the first, it's the quality, because we talked so much about the quality control process in the last part. But you know, our customers still care much about it, because you know, even for some great companies like the BMW, the Mercedes-Benz, they also have the quality problem.
Yes. Our product liability insurance limit $2 million US, and the first of our industry.
Okay, and I also heard that there are some other customers, other company, they claim that they can pay $200 for each defective fitting. At first, it just may sound great, but if you think it again, if a defective fitting is found in a system, can the $200 will make up for the whole damage and loss? I don't think so.
Well,
yes.
It can't imagine it.
And also for the second advantage, we have so many certificates all over the world. For example, we have the UL and FM for the fire protection, and DVGW and SF for the water applications.
Yes, we also get the industry certificates like CE for Europe, KS for Ukraine, and GOST for Russia.
Yes. And so that means our products can be sold to all over the world. Yes. So for the third point is...
Next point is product standards. And we can provide the American standard fittings, DIN standard fittings, and BS standard fittings. And we also provide the forends from 1 inch to 6 inch.
Yes, and also for all these sizes of our products, they also meet the standard, like the BS standard, the DIN standard, and the SME standard. Yes, and also for the delivery.
Yes, our customers and our delivery time is so quickly. And in winter, our customers will delivery standard is 15 days, and
Yes.
our delivery time for next
Standard?
So next,
you mean standard order?
yes, for urgent orders is 15 days, and
Okay.
for that next.
Yes, so that's all for the delivery. Then, next part, we can also make a customized carton design and packing. So you can see we can design the carton this according to our customers' design, and we can also put this small carton in the carton into this big carton. And also we can also make a lined package and put a small fitting into the bag and then put them in the carton. So we can do any package according to our customer's demand. Then the last one, we have the strong research and development ability. You know, in our R&D department, we have over 200 engineers. And since 2015, we have set up a postdoctoral scientific research station in our company. And that must be great. And also, we have been recognized as a national recognized enterprise technology center. So these 7 advantages for our company. They are also the main advantages. So we hope our customers can know us more about the products and our company. So besides these pipe fittings, we also have many other malleable iron products, right?
Yes, we can also produce the malleable iron clamps. And
Yes.
for malleable iron clamps, it is used the different applications, and such as manual products, shopping mall, and storage shelf, and stair
handrail.
Yes.
Yes. So besides, we can also do a lot of things. You can see we can make crafts. They are also very beautiful, right? So if you want to have them, please contact us. That's really beautiful.
If our customers have special needs, we can provide OEM castings for them, and it finished black, galvanized, and electric, and the weight of them and from 0.005 to 1,500 kilograms.
Yes. Besides, we also can provide the gas fittings. It's also our product. Especially in China, if you look carefully in your kitchen, you may find our logo in your kitchen on the gas pipeline. So this is our main application. These are pipeline connection functions. So now is our the basic production of the introduction about our products and malleable iron pipe fittings and other malleable iron fittings.
Yes.
So that's all for our introduction for the product and company.
Yes. So next step, let's wait a minute. We will the lucky draw time.
Yes, and of course, if our customers have any question or suggestion, you can leave your message on Facebook and YouTube. We will answer your question soon.
Hello everyone, welcome to our live studio.
Good morning, good afternoon, maybe good evening. I noticed that some friends have already joined us, and thank you for your patience and interest to understand our product and our company.
Yes, and thank you for subscribing our channel, Meidegroup, on Canton Fair page, YouTube, and Facebook. And if you have any questions, please leave your comments down below. Our College for Service will answer your questions anytime.
Yeah, first, please allow us to introduce ourselves. I'm Bella, a new staff of Meidegroup, and I'm very glad to join this company. I used to work in a commercial bank as a comprehensive teller in my hometown. I can hardly imagine that I can stand here to say hi to friends from all over the world. And it's really my honor to have this opportunity to introduce our WOW company and our WOW products. And this is my partner, Wendy.
And thank you, Bella, for introducing me in advance. And hello, everyone. I'm Wendy. And unlike Bella, this is my first job here in Meide. And it's a great honor to be here, standing here in front of you and have this opportunity to participate in this live show. And please give us thumbs up and follow with interest. And if you have love our channel, please recommend it to your good friends.
And yeah, actually the topic for this broadcasting is
V-A-L-V-E, Valve.
And today we will introduce our WOW company and the product ranges that we have. And finally, we will answer a very important question.
Yes, and pay attention, please. And there will be one lucky draw time with exciting bonus. And Bella, do you know what kind of bonus we have?
Yeah, that is a secret.
Yes, and if you know the answer, please leave your answers down below, and you will have the chance to be the winner. We all wish you good luck on that.
Yeah, and this is our today's guideline.
The first one is who we are, and the second is what we have, and the third is why choose us, and finally is our lottery time.
And please allow us to introduce our WOW manufacturer, the Meidegroup Technology Company. It's a wholly owned subsidiary of Meidegroup, and it covers an area of 180,000 square meters with a total investment of 1 billion yuan. There are more than 600 employees, and our production capacity is 3.5 million cells.
Yes, and our company, Meidegroup, mainly manufacture valves made of ductile iron, cast iron, and cast steel. And with a diameter of DN15 to DN3600. And our company is equipped with the most advanced molding machines. This is our diesel line, and this is our single line. And we have totally more than 120 advanced vertical machining centers, 5 axis machining centers, vertical latches, and our CNC equipment. We have totally more than 14 machines processing. And Bella, do you know that? We have already invested 1 million yuan to introduce the advanced Japanese KBK system to reduce the labor intensity of workers.
Yes, I know. And then the oxo epoxy powder is used in the coating process. It's this one. It has already passed the drinking water certification, and K-parts like rubber coating, stem, and others are also made by ourselves. And we have advanced machining equipment and this one, and perfect physical and chemical inspection, and performance testing equipment, which can totally meet the requirements of our WOW production and markets.
Yes, and our WOW products have already obtained more than 20 professional certifications at home and abroad, and with cover so many different applications such as firefighting, water supply and drainage, HVAC, and oil and gas, and so on. In the following sections, we will have an introduction about our certification status of these different applications fields in detail.
And in China, we have participated with the Wuhan Municipal Water Company, Chongqing Municipal Water Company, Taiyuan Thermal Power, Shijiazhuang Subway, and other major projects. And in the foreign country, we have established long-term business relationship with international high-end operators. And more than 17% of our products are exported to more than 130 countries all over the world. And the turnover of microvalve in 2019 is $78 million.
Yes, our company, Meidegroup, always keep in mind that our development concept, green production, low carbon production, and also we always follow the core value of taking our users as center and quality as life, and innovation promoting development, and the most importantly, cooperation to make win-win situation. And we aim to provide a one-stop service and the most completely product range for our customers.
Yeah, and in the past few years, we never stop completing our product ranges, like gate valve, check valve, butterfly valve, strainer, and so on.
Yes, and we both have ANSI, BS, and DIN standards with a general size range from 2-inch to 24-inch. And some valves have two more smaller or larger size, and our valve products can widely applied in all kinds of applications, as we have mentioned before, HVAC, ingredient, firefighting, and oil and gas, and so on. And most importantly, with the most completely certification. And Bella, do you know that what kind of certification that we have?
Yes, and the quality of our products have already passed the production certification. For the fire valves, we have VDS certified, UL or CUL listed, FM approved, and EPSAT for the French market, and LPCB from the Great Britain.
Yes, and here comes the certifications for other applications. And our gate valve, butterfly valve, check valve, and the Y strainer are CSF certified from USA for drinking water system. And we both have ROS certification for our gate valve, butterfly valve, check valve. It's mainly for our UK and Southeast Asian market. And this is our watermark certification. And it's our gate valve, butterfly valve with this watermark. And it's ACS, it's a little bit more. Can you notice that? It's for our French market. And CE is for EU countries, and EAC for Russia and the near region. And CETAS is for our South Africa market.
Yeah. And our products are mainly divided into the fire valves and other valves. And then my partner Wendy will introduce the fire valves for you. And I'll see you later.
And hello guys, and this is my stage now. Let me introduce you some new thing. And our fire valves are widely applied in fire protection system, and include fire pump room and the sprinkler system, including wide pipe sprinkler system, dry pipe sprinkler system, pre-action pipe fire sprinkler system, and deluge fire sprinkler system. Our fire valves include butterfly valves, especially butterfly valves with temper switch and with different connection options like grooved, wafer, locked, and threaded. For our gate valve, we have rising stem gate valve and non-rising stem gate valve, with or without supervisory switch or indicating pin, with flanged grooved or flanged and grooved connections. And also, we have vertical or word type of indicator post to go together with the post-flange valve. For our check valve usually applied at the outlet of the pump and for prevention of water flow, of backflow of water into fire pump or the water tank to maintain pipe pressure. We have a flanged swing check valve, grooved swing check valve, double door wafer check valve, and the double door grooved check valve, etc. Here is our big show, and this is our wet alarm check valve. And we are so happy to say that this item, this product, we have already got UL listed and FM approved. And the flow rate of this product is 15 to 76 L per minute, and the delay time is 5 to 19 seconds. And the working pressure is listed at 300 psi. And at the same time, we are working on the certification of flange type. If we, when we got this certification, we will let you know. And this is our fire hydrant. This big guy is our dry barrel fire hydrant, and this product is designed with the automatic drain valve. When the hydrant is not working, when there is no water inside, which means you can use this product at anywhere. Even in some area there is freezing, and the design is traffic tap. If the hydrant is hit and the components on the ground was broken, the main valve still closed to assure the continuous water supply. And this product, they have 3 nozzles, and 1 for 4.5 inch and 2 for 2.5 inch. And the inlet flange is 6, and the barrel's depth is optional from 11 meters to 22 meters. And there, our other 2 types of hydrant, and this blue one is have already got ROS and KIWA certification. It's mainly for our UK and Middle East market, and this product is used underground. And this yellow one is our wet hydrant, and it's designed with a safe stem cap, and it has a bronze stem and a both nuts. And for inlet, both threaded and flange is connection options are also available. Here, okay, please welcome my partner, Bella, to bring the next stuff here. The first one we want to introduce is our water flow indicator. This is our product, our water flow indicator, and it's our newly UL and FM certified products, and it's the size range is from 2 inch to 10 inch. And the working pressure is 363 psi and 300 psi. And the adjustable, and this product is designed with delay function, and the adjustable is between 0 to 90 seconds, and it's suitable for indoor and outdoor application. And the double tempo switch design, one can be used to operate a central station, a remote signaling unit, and while the other can be used to operate a local annunciator. And the next item we want to introduce is our supervisory switch. And this product is used to monitor the opening position of OS and Y gate valve for the fire protection system. And for this product, we have two sizes available. One is for gate valve from 2 inch to 16 inch, and the other is for the 18 inch to 24 inch. And for this product, the double micro switch design can reduce the risk of false signal delivery caused by the temper switch malfunction. and the multi-signal output can meet different requirements for our more customers. And for this product, we can do 100% sensitivity test before the shipment. And the next item we want to introduce is our supervisory switch for indicator post, and it's connected by half NPD thread. Both two types of supervisory switch all get the UL and FM certification. And this one is next one is our pressure switch. And this product have independent switch, and it also gets UL and FM. And thank you, Bella. Thank you. And we also, for 5 valves, we also have other products. Look at there. This is our flange and grooved strainers, rubber joints, and the zone control valve assembly, test and drain valve, dry riser gate valve, and the landing valve, etc. And we are continue to launch new products according to our customers' need. And if you have any requirements, please contact us. And also, that's all we want to share with you in 5 protection system. And it's a little bit too much, but don't worry. Leave your questions and your suggest, and our College for Service will contact you immediately. And next part, let me introduce, welcome our partner, Bella, to introduce the valves in other application.
Thank you, Wendy. Hello everyone, I'm Kamin. And aside from the fire valves that Wendy introduced for you, and there are also the valves for water supply and drainage, HVAC system, agriculture, and even some stem for the oil and gas application. And for the gate valve, there are the rising stem and non-rising stem gate valves. Different actuation options like hand wheel, electric drive, and so on. And we also have different connection options like flanged mechanical joint, flanged and mechanical joint, and threaded. In some area, this type of socket connection gate valve is also popular. And the biggest size that we can produce now is 32-inch DN700. And compared with the fire valves, this blue check valves family is bigger. We have flanged swing, flanged slide, wafer, ball, rubber disc, and axial flow integrated growth swing, slow closure butterfly check valve. And we also supply 4 ranges of butterfly valves. Different connection options like wafer, locked, flanged, growth, and so on. And in some municipal pipeline, we also provide big size of butterfly valves, size up to 104-inch DN2600. And we also supply the hydraulic control valves. It's mainly used in the pipeline of irrigation, fire protection, water supplying, HVAC system, and so on. And we have the electromagnetic control valve, pressure reducing valve, pressure relief and sustaining valve, and the surge anticipating valve. And for the balance valve, it features the accurate digital hand wheel, self-sealing nozzle, low pressure loss, and it's easy to operate. This one is our backwater valve is our new product. It's based on the FM proposal and has already passed the FM approval. And its function is to prevent the medium in the pipeline from flowing backwards. And it's mainly used in the building drainage system and plays a very important role in the prevent backflow of sewage. And this is our globe valve. It's mainly used in the petrochemical, electric power, metallurgy, urban construction, medicine, and so on. And for this one, this is our bottom valve. It's a compact design and lightweight. It has good sealing and excellent filtration performance. We still provide other valves like strainers, air valves, rubber joints, and so on. Just as the water flow indicator in the fire valves, today I want to recommend our new design butterfly valve. Compared with the old one, it has better performance and less cost. The double O-ring design can reduce the operating torque and the risk of leakage. And this hexagonal stem head line can make the connection between the disc and the stem more sensitive. And the new design of the disc can increase the circulation area and reduce the friction loss. And we also have the long neck option, it's this one. It can use in the heating system. And to complete our product line and to provide one-stop service for our customers, this year we developed our Mac brass valve. We have the gate valve, ball valve, check valve, Y-type strainer, air bleeding valve, and so on. And its size range is from 1/2 inch to 2 inch, and it can widely used in water supply and HVAC system. This basically all the product ranges that we have now. And then please welcome Wendy back. Just as introduced previously, we never stop our step to complete our products. And we hope that we can get your continuous support our new products.
Yes, and next part, we will answer one important question. That is, why choose us? There are so many wiper manufacturers in China and all over the world. Why our customers select us and would like to trust us, would like to make a business relationship with us? Here, we prepared a radio for these 4 factors. And there are 4 factors. Here are the 4 factors.
The factor is strong R&D ability and technical support, our in-house production, reliable quality guarantee, and stable delivery.
Now, let's see the radio. Let's check it out.
Team. There are more than 150 engineers who are always keeping studying and innovation. Each model of our valves, new models or old models, when there is design change, will go through comprehensive model test, hydraulic pressure test, torque test, cycling test, friction loss test, pressure differential, etc. By the equipment, we have like equipment for hydraulic pressure test, for cycling test, for online testing like friction loss, pressure differential, 3 coordinate measuring machine for precise dimensional verification, 3D printer which helps speed up the product design verification process. That means we could give our customer best technical support and realize new product development in short time with your help. So do not hesitate to tell us if you have any new idea need to be realized or any new problem need to be solved. We'll try our best to find solution.
Except for the advanced R&D ability, the second point that we are highly proud of is our all in-house production. Different from many manufacturers that are outsourcing castings or even machine parts, for us, it's all in-house production. From product design, patent manufacturing, foundry casting, machining, shot blasting, surface treatment, assembly, pressure test and inspection, to packaging. By this way, we can take full control of our product quality in each process. Besides, we can also monitor the lead time closely and make timely adjustments if needed, very reliable and flexible. The third point is reliable quality guarantee. With almost 60 years of foundry casting experience from the 1960s, casting is never a problem for us. That means material is one of our core competitiveness. We use duplex melting for improving the iron water quality. There is also on-site chemical composition inspection with spectrometer and microstructure inspection with microscope for every batch of casting. Our standard material grade is ASTM A536, 65, 45, 12, but the tensile strength is basically over 500 Nm and nodularity over 85%. To make sure of the easier operation, opening or closing of the valve, our give valves and butterfly valves are 100% tested with torque control. And each piece of the valve are pressure tested before shipment. For the purpose of quality tracing, there is batch number on the casting part, and there is also metal plate serial number, which is like a unique ID for each piece of valve that can trace back to who made the assembly, pressure test, and inspection. Nowadays, many manufacturers are facing different factors which make them cannot dispatch the goods on time, such as shortage of raw material during the coronavirus period, temporary shutdown due to the environmental protection. Like what we have introduced, we have all in-house production. Even some raw materials like pig iron are produced by ourselves. So we can make reliable production plan and assure the orders to be finished on time. Instead of using old production equipment, which is harmful to the environment, our company purchased the most advanced automatic casting lines, and Meidegroup has already been classified as Level A casting enterprise since 2019. This means our company will not be shut down even when there is some environmental emergency response required from the government. In addition, with our tooling workshop loading 31 sets CNC machines, we can manage 800 sets new patents per month. And with our 3,200 square meter spare parts warehouse, 8,000 square meter products and semi-products warehouse, we can store enough spare parts to avoid any material shortage, and we can also make inventory for our customers. All in all, once you place the orders to Meidegroup, you have nothing to worry about.
Welcome back, and in the last video, we have mentioned our 4 factors. The first one is our strong R&D ability, our technical support, and fast new product development. It's all based on our RPD system. The second one is
our all in-house production is from the product design to pattern manufacturing and finally to the inspection and packaging. And the third is our quality guarantee.
And we do 100% pressure test, and our valve have its own quality traceability system. And the last
one is our stable delivery. We have automatic casting lines, environmental production, and strong modeling ability and warehouse. And for the 4 factors, makes our company more reliable. And if you choose Meidegroup, you will have nothing to worry about.
Yes. And unfortunately, due to the epidemic, we cannot communicate with each other face-to-face. But thanks to our generation, the internet has brought us closer, and we can express our wishes through this new way, live broadcasting.
Yeah. We sincerely hope that you and your family are in good health and everything is okay. And we hope our global epidemic will end soon and everything will return to normal. And then, welcome to China, welcome to Jinan, and welcome to Meidegroup.
Yes, and actually, it's time to say goodbye.
Yeah.
And thank you for your time and watching our show. And finally, it's Wendy.
It's Bella.
See you next time.
See you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our live streaming. I'm Elliot. It's really excited to standing here to introduce our products. The gentleman standing by me is Rocky.
Hello everyone, I'm Rocky. Welcome to our live studio. Oh, for me, I also feel excited.
Yes, as you can see, the two of us are wearing our traditional cultural costume of our country, the Han Dynasty clothes. This is because our company is located in Shandong province, the hometown of Confucius and Methodist, which is a very famous cultural land. And our company has learned and observed absence of traditional culture. And you know, Rocky, our company has been developed and raised more and more and faster and faster.
Yes.
Yeah. So with the opportunity of this time to live broadcast, and we will introduce our traditional culture, and we will prepared a video.
Okay, so same as Elijah said, in this presentation, we will show you a brief video which will show you the Chinese traditional culture, and I hope you can enjoy it.
Yes, okay, let's come back to our topic.
Okay.
Yes, this time we will introduce the gold fittings and couplings. And in the process of the introduction, you must listen carefully because we have set up a lucky draw. And the answer to the question will show in this PowerPoint.
Okay. What about the price? I hear the big
watchers and some lucky viewers may enjoy a free luxury villa and yacht tour.
Wow, sounds great. So my friends, don't be hesitant. Let's join us.
Okay, let's come back to our products. Okay. This product we will introduce from below 3 aspects. The product's introduction, and the advantages of Meidegroup products and Meidegroup. The first one, for the product's introduction, we will introduce from the 2 different types of material, ductile iron and stainless steel.
So as you know, the ductile iron, it is the most material in our company.